If you want to learn how you can remove unwanted formatting or unwanted formatting Google document, then this video tutorial is for you. So I'm on the Google document file and I'm just going to modify this document a bit. Let's say I highlight, I want to give this bold, italicize it, then underline it as well. Then all the bullet items, I did the same thing. I bold it, I italicize it, and I underlined it. So I've basically changed the style or the formatting of this document. So basically, let's say I want to take everything up. I want to take it up rather without having to manually do it one by one, right? So all I need to do is to just click on Control A, which basically highlights everything. Then I will come on Format, click on Format, then come down to the bottom, which says Clear Formatting. Then click on Clear Formatting and everything is gone. Now the document has returned to its initial status. So this is basically how you remove unwanted format in Google Documents. If you find this video valuable, ensure you subscribe to this channel and I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you.